Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to speak English fluently but you feel shy or confused? Don't worry. In this video, I will tell you 5 simple habits that can improve your English fast. If you practice these 5 habits, your spoken English will definitely improve. Number 1. Speak English every day. The first habit is speak English every day. Many people only read English or listen to English, but they do not speak. Remember one thing, the more you speak, the better you become. You can speak in front of a mirror or with your friends or even talk to yourself. For example, I woke up at 5 a.m. I went for a walk. I am making breakfast. Slowly your confidence will increase. Number 2. Learn daily vocabulary. The second habit is learn new words every day. If you know more words, you can express your thoughts easily. For example, happy, tired, improve, practice, confidence. Try to make sentences with these words. Number 3. Listen to English. The third habit is listen to English. Listening improves your pronunciation and understanding. You can listen to English podcast, English movie, or English YouTube video. Try to listen slowly and carefully and repeat after the speaker. Number 4. Think in English. The fourth habit is start thinking in English. Many people first think in Hindi and then translate into English. This takes time. Instead, try to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है, think in English, I want to drink water. This habit will make you speak faster. Number 5. Do not afraid of mistakes. The fifth habit is do not fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes while learning a language. Mistakes are part of a learning. So speak confidently. Remember, practice makes progress. If you practice these 5 habits every day, your spoken English will definitely improve. Start today, speak more, listen more, and practice more. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.